President Cyril Ramaphosa has refused to hand over the G20 presidency to the United States of America. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the G20 presidency handover is a symbolic and practical milestone for major implications for global diplomacy, leadership, and policy priorities. Now, the G20 rotates annually between member nations. Currently, the G20 is being held in South Africa, and in 2026, the G20 will be held in the United States. Now, the outgoing president of South Africa transfers leadership duties to incoming president, which is the United States. Just like it happened in 2023, where India handed it over to Brazil, and Brazil handed it over to South Africa, and South Africa is refusing to hand it over to the United States. Now, initially, Donald Trump, who is the president of the United States, announced a full boycott of the summit and later reversed his decision and decided to send the lowest ranking diplomat for the handover ceremony only. And then also Donald Trump said he will not participate in the summit discussion. And then he accused President Cyril Ramaphosa for running his mouth against the United States, sparking outrage in South Africa. So this led to the president of South Africa to refuse to hand over the G20 presidency to the lowest ranking diplomat that was sent by the US. And this was said by spokesperson Vincent Magwenya. Now, this is viewed as a diplomatic insult, expecting a senior official to hand over a G20 presidency to the lowest ranking diplomat. Cyril Ramaphosa emphasized that South Africa will not be bullied. Now, this tension goes way back when the United States imposed a 30% trade tariffs on South Africa, and then it also expelled its ambassador and criticized Pretoria's stance on Palestine, Russia, and China. And also, if you remember, Donald Trump accused South Africa of a white genocide, claiming that Afrikaners, which is the descendants of Dutch and French settlers, face land seizures, violence, and discrimination. And with the president of South Africa refusing to be bullied by the United States, there's currently uncertainties if the United States will upgrade its delegation, or the handover ceremony may be delayed or cancelled. Should the president of South Africa compromise and hand over the G20 presidency to the lowest ranking diplomat, or should the president of South Africa continue to stand firm and refuse not to be bullied by the United States? What are your thoughts?